Look on the stretch, see that? See it there? Cause boy that I walk up so with him rod in hand and him lost and him bag pan him bag full of fish. See a bag of draw down? Yeah.
When you go up, you know what time it is, you see me?
Yeah, daddy, for right on the Sunday.
Alright, big up man like Fowling and them man there, you know, them man they will give a slingshot fishing, you know.
Yeah, man.
See them man they kind of inspire we as some youth, you know. Things that we are do regular and up on a daily basis, you know.
Yeah, daddy.
Fun to them man, they just like our fishing, fun to we, you know. If we go river today, we not catch no fish, you know, that wouldn't matter, you know. Because the idea food they are that cooking, you know. Everything they are fun to we, you know.
Yeah, daddy, you see it?
Can go out, you know.
See it there?
Food, you know.
Yeah, daddy. See it there, a vehicle come up on it, See there, one vehicle, two vehicle, three vehicle people, so we active. You see me?
Man, if I did go and good all in idea, man, we show no right on the roadside, we don't reach a yard with fish, money in a pocket.
Yeah.
So we deal with fishing more time, you see?
Them we are there.
Time the river turn up more time, you don't know a thing, you know.
Yeah.
River provide for itself, you know.
Alright, people don't see coffee walk the same way.
Yeah, man.
Big ball and brawling.
Jamaican coffee.
Yeah, original Jamaican coffee.
Alright, you don't know, you see me?
You see what I deal with my people? Yeah, because we out here same way, you know. Yeah, man, we take the time I go and try the foot them I go in. Because when we go in, you know, so probably to swim around pan grill.
Probably a warm tea, man, and
you know
dumpling a boil and thing,
yeah,
my friend, no fucker.
Red rice the one side and some cornmeal flour and okra tick up over there so in a fish.
So we do it on a Sunday, and you see when we come on the river come catch, it have to prepare.
Yes.
Alright, you see me, sir. So you look more, you can see what I go a little more in a pot, you know.
Yeah, man.
Fry down, you know. You see, man.
Yeah, man.
So we do it at least, you see it?
Yes, I'm on the journey, you know, people. We are going to show you with all time primary school. Our legendary primary school that in my peeps.
Papa student then, you see me?
Yes.
So we are youth, you know, we work right during the week, you know, more time we don't even have time for them things, you know.
Alright.
You see, so upon all the Sunday, more time we just freestyle, you see we?
Yes.
Go up on the river, catch 2 fish, free up your mind, listen to nature, you see me?
Yes.
Because nothing nice like when you can go outdoor, you know, man, and listen to nature and get in tune.
That me I talk about.
Yourself, you know.
Alright,
just
so
the fishing, you know.
Alright, then we go show them how I go and how I come up with the whole school, you know. See all the warehouse around it, so we don't be all cheer and things.
You see me?
Yeah.
Come up on the Tolo school front, you know, you see it?
Yeah,
so
we
are come from down the riverside, that's why you still see, you know, bank, you know.
Bushes and... You don't know country settings?
Don't know country settings, you
yeah.
see it?
Alright, so we say all school, yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Tolo Primary, you see
Tolo
me?
Primary, see
so
that?
we have all the heroes them on all the wall, you see it?
I will hero them that on the wall, my people. You see me?
Every youth from both Yasso.
Yeah.
That school that them go.
Yeah.
Almost every youth on the Knowledge Church, Bethel.
Alright.
Church.
You see it?
Foundation school, them school, you see it?
Including we?
Yes, me Jenna, you see me?
Yes.
You don't know, sir. I don't on the front page, I don't know, so I take out one different piece of stretching. So I know we are kind of save some of my body and some of my strength in our foot, you know. So
yeah,
until next time, you know, my people, come on, we are afraid of thing them, you know. So now see what I go on.
Don't worry on yourself, you know, go see you all night, yeah, that what go on, you see me? Yeah, man.
Until the next episode, you know.
Alright.
Go look a frying pan the banks and make them see what time it is to you, see me? Because no fowl alone them can roast fish, you know.
Alright.
I show them a different style of roasting a fish to you know.
Yeah, that
like you grill chicken, you know.
Grilling.
Don't know fowl, you know, big up on yourself, you know. You know, boss, you know, Wi-Fi, you know.
Up top.
Don't know, you like, couldn't make you like we do them thing, and you see it. Alright,